Monster's going to bed for the night. Right, I think Mr. Road Monster here's done with his eating of rubbish. He's gone to sleep. I'm going to get a close-up of that digger, I think. That's that one over there. He's eating rubble. That looks like a Stegosaurus, and the other one's a T-Rex. Sadly, the outcome of the demolitions. That building here used to be a cafe run by a man called Petra. He had a Chinese wife. Don't know what happened to them. There's Shelton Square. Oh my goodness. Shelton Square there. Oh my god. Well, what is left of Shelton Square, that is just bloody awful. Sod off, bulldozers. I mean, look at the state of this building here. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Oh, he's come along again. Greedy developers. Stop building luxury flats. Stop providing social housing and decent buildings. Renovate the old ones, don't knock them down. Well, the head's just come off that. Right, so you just drop the head there. That's going to sleep for the night as well. That one's eating rubbish. Oh no, this one's... Right, this one's become a drill now. What's going... Oh no. I think I know what this one might do. It's not going to sleep. I think it's going to demolish a building. Oh no. Let's see what this is going to do. Oh no. I'm about to witness another dramatic demolition going on here. Oh no. Why is it froze? What's going on? Dear. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh shit. Right, it's actually going to demolish. Such a bulldozer. Huge sod off bulldozer. Stop building luxury flats. Stop knocking down perfectly decent accommodation. Oh my god. Sod off bulldozer. Right, that roof is just going to cave in a short while. Swear to God, we're going to have some more action. This is taking the concrete out of the frame, and then they'll get the chomp one to bring it all down. Don't let this be Ladywood or Druid Heath. And don't let this be King's Standing. Okay, seems like Ray wants to get a seat now. Oh yes, looks like it's a seat. Yep, it's putting its head down. We're going to put another head on. Let's see what happens to this road monster here. Oh gosh, what the hell is this one? This contraption here? It's certainly not finished. It's not finished. Oh no! We have the claw. We have the claw. Oh no. This is the drama. This is the... Oh no. We need to keep an eye on this we need to keep an eye on this battery. It's 5%. We need to watch this battery. Chomp! Yes, I think I have me some building for dinner. Yes, it needs to have its food. I need me some building for dinner. Oh, we've got some drama. Chomp!